Welcome to Innovent Foods. Today I'm making a 10-minute quick egg aloo donut. A fun and delicious snack perfect for kids and evening cravings. Take 2 boiled potatoes and 2 eggs. Grate them into a bowl. Grate finely for smooth texture. Potato and egg make a perfect combination. Donut-shaped snacks are fun and attractive. These snacks are popular for tea time. Add 3 tablespoons onion, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon chat masala, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin. Add 2 tablespoon breadcrumbs and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Take small portion and shape into donut rings. Bind properly before shaping. Now prepare a slurry. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons flour, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half cup water. Mix well. Dip each donut into the slurry and coat with breadcrumbs. Crispy coating adds extra texture. Heat oil and fry in medium heat until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even cooking. Egg provides protein and energy. Potatoes give carbohydrates and fullness. Homemade snacks are more hygienic. Balanced ingredients make it satisfying. Your crispy egg aloo donuts are ready. Serve hot with your favorite dip. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Foods for more easy recipes.